down.
If your feet follow the footsteps of the Lord, and Jesus leads you to heaven, and your feet shall step into the place where the angels walk. Your feet shall step into the place where Jesus walked. A ground that is laid down by gold, that is where you would be.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. Follow the Lord. Be like Jesus. What is your mission? To be like Jesus. Don't forget that mission. So be true with the Lord. If you are stealing, do not steal anymore. If you are using filthy words, do not. If you have been deceiving, do not. If you have been with the world, you need to leave it. If Jesus has left heaven, you need to leave the earth. Follow the Lord.